Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the Sous Vide mode on your ThermoMix TM7. You can use the Sous Vide mode in the mode selection button by selecting Sous Vide. Now it shows you that you should use the simmering basket for it. Then you can set the desired time and temperature from 40 degrees up to 85. Now let's talk about a bit about the mode. So instead of that simmering basket, you could also use blade covers instead of that, if you'd like to put something larger in it. And now the Sous Vide mode is a mode that lets you cook vacuum-packed meat, fish and seafood, vegetables or fruit with any defined and constant temperature between 40 and 85 degrees for up to 12 hours. The result will be juicy, soft and tender. You should use freezer ziplock bags as sous vide bags and seal them after removing air inside the bag. Make sure to check if the bags are safe to be used at the desired target temperature. Now, in order to use it, you should first place the ingredients in a vacuum bag, seal the bag, place the bag in the simmering basket or on the blade cover, and then cover with water. Then remove the bag. Why are you first putting it? Why are you first putting the bag with the ingredients and then removing the bag with the ingredients? So that you don't exceed the maximum level of water after putting the ingredients back in later. Now with the water only, you can set 5 to 10 minutes and desired temperature and then tap start. Then place the vacuum bag with ingredients back into the mixing bowl, into the simmering basket or on the blade cover, and then set the time and temperature and tap start. Now if you want to vacuum seal ingredients without a vacuum machine, you can do it. You should place ingredients into a Ziploc bag and seal the lock almost all the way, leaving 1 centimeter, half an inch, open to let air escape. Submerge the bag slowly in a deep container filled with water without letting water get into the bag. Water pressure will just push the air out. You can seal the bag completely and make sure there are no leaks. Later, you can just use it. Now, also to avoid possible oxidation, it's recommended to add the juice of half a squeezed lemon or a teaspoon of vitamin C or ascorbic acid powder to the water in the mixing bowl to avoid the oxidation of the mixing knife. And now there are some important food safety information. First of all, select a minimum temperature of 55 degrees for meat, fish, seafood and vegetables to ensure safe cooking. Allow sufficient time for each item to reach the target temperature and hold it to ensure even heating and correct cooking. Cooking dry ingredients like rice, pasta and legumes is not possible with Sous Vide mode as they require liquid absorption and will not absorb liquid if vacuum packed. Then also additionally, Sous Vide temperatures are not high enough to inactivate the natural anti-nutrients in legumes. Now, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.